for fiscal year 2025-26. We come to the people of Jamaica with a balanced budget and no new taxes. This government will increase the PAYE threshold to $2 million. And so we'll increase the threshold in 3 tranches to 1.8, then 1.9, then 2 million over a 3-year period starting April 1, 2025. Doing it this way means our hardworking taxpayers don't have to guess and spell next year or the next year or the next year if the threshold is going to increase. We are pleased to announce that the commitment to reduce the GCT rate on electricity to 7% and eliminate the 150 kilowatt threshold for postpaid residential consumers is on track for implementation by the JPS starting on May 1, 2025. Additionally, Madam Speaker, for those postpaid residential customers who consume 250 kilowatt hours or less, they will see a rebate of 7% and a 3% subsidy for a total of 10%. This is a caring government, Madam Speaker. We are pleased to announce the most ambitious program to allow affordable access to prepaid electricity. This government has allocated $1 billion to assist the first 20,000 first-time JPS prepaid customers who sign up for prepaid electricity. The $1 billion will go towards paying for house wiring and inspection in order to get those with a legal connection to get legally and safely connected to the JPS grid. We know that the cost of house wiring and inspection can be prohibitive for many. And so as a caring government, we are absorbing that cost in order to begin to cauterize this massive electricity theft problem. To incentivize the uptake of prepaid electricity service, the first 20,000 new prepaid customers will get $4,000 credit for electricity per month for 6 months. This government, through the Student Loan Bureau, will be offering to new students a longer repayment period of 10 years instead of the current 7 and 5 years. And the rates will remain the same, meaning the rates will not increase because the payment period has increased. We are committed to an increase in the loan amounts that students will be able to access, and for the disbursement to include not just tuition, but also housing, books and supplies, the cost of a laptop, and a stipend for meals. We are also committed to a meaningful reduction in interest rates on the various loans. And so we have to work with the Student Loan Bureau to be able to launch these initiatives for the new school year starting September 2026. We are a can-do government, a government of ideas, and a government of solutions.